In this video, how to get Airtable API key. I will show you step by step how to get the Airtable API key. First, go to the Airtable website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, click the Account option. You will be taken to the Account Settings page. Look for the section called API or Developer. Click the option to access API settings. Airtable now uses personal access tokens instead of the old API key. Click the option called Create Token. Enter a name for the token. Select the permissions the token should have. Choose the bases you want the token to access. After that, click Create Token to generate the token. Airtable will display the token only once. Click Copy to save the code. Store the token in a safe place. This token will be used to connect Airtable with APIs or automations,